Hi guys, welcome back to Top 5 Jamaica. Today we're going to look at the top 5 things about the Kingston Harbour. Number 5. The Kingston Harbour is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. A harbour is a sheltered body of water where ships can be docked. Now you have two kinds of harbours. You have a natural harbour and an artificial harbour. A natural harbour is a landform where a section of a body of water is protected. A natural harbour results in calmer waters within the harbour. Number 4. Kingston Harbour is 9.9 miles long by 2 miles wide, or 16 kilometers long by 3.2 kilometers wide. Number 8. The Kingston Harbour is home to the Kingston Container Terminal, which is the largest port in Jamaica. The advantages of a natural harbour is that the water within the harbour is very calm. So that makes it easier or better for ships to dock. Now, a port is a man-made facility built for loading and unloading of cargo and passengers. So within a natural harbour, you're going to find a lot of ports. And the largest port in Jamaica is located on the Kingston Harbour. It's called the Kingston Container Terminal, or persons refer to it mostly as the Kingston Wharf. Now, you're going to have a lot of docks in a natural harbour. So, in the Kingston Harbour, you have the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica in downtown Kingston. They have a very large dock, and that's where they load and unload fuel, which is the oil refinery in Jamaica. And then you have another dock at the Caribbean Cement Company, and they manufacture cement. And then there's another dock at the Jamaica Flour Mills in Rockfort, Jamaica. Number 2. Some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are built beside the Kingston Harbour. The view of the harbour makes the waterfront properties in downtown Kingston some of the most expensive and exclusive in Jamaica. Some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica that are built on the waterfront overlooking the Kingston Harbour are the Bank of Jamaica building, the Scotia Centre, which is actually the second tallest building in Jamaica, the office building, Ocean Towers, and the ROK Hotel. Number 1. The Kingston Harbour was home to Port Royal, once the largest city in the Caribbean. The Kingston Harbour allowed Port Royal to boom, and it soon became the main place in the Caribbean to handle large local trade. Historically, the harbour was safe from attack, with its narrow entrance being protected by 2 forts. And Port Royal was located at the mouth of the Kingston Harbour.